Alright guys, this is Future Harrison. I forgot to intro the video. So this was Bewley, I can't really say it, Simply Italian Day. So no, just everything Italian. It's Lamborghinis, Ferraris, as you saw, loads of the baths. So yeah, enjoy.
It probably would be the best I've worked with to you. Your legs are like that, you see it like this. So, yeah,
oh. That's depressing. He's trying to... Yo, Mason, you hear the car trying to take over. There we go.
oh, what the Dino?
He's giving some revolutions.
He's got a park, so he probably want to move out the way, actually.
I can smell the petrol from here. Mason has been fully impressed. Mason.
Can you stop obsessing over a Ferrari V8?
Yeah, bro. I know.
That's 360 though.
I know you're not a fan of it, but you know.
What? I didn't say I wasn't a fan. I just
No,
said...
you said the BMW one's your favourite.
Yeah, because they sound nice.
Yeah, it's true. Fruity. Reminds me of your dad. Everyone's got to love the proper Ferrari red. The carbon fibre. Shee!
The Spider-Man 4 GT.
Is that the best thing? The Spider-Man 4 GT?
Yes, bro.
Not the actual bath itself.
Sticker showcase.
Hey, bro. Yeah, but they're bath badges. And with their bright yellow Brave Brembo brakes.
Brave.
Brave Brembo. Try that 5 times.
You should get those with you.
Yeah, that looks sick.
I can't put them on.
I think there's more baths than I can actually can. More fits as well.
Oh, guys, can we talk about the Lancia Delta Integrale?
Sorry, what? Try spell that.
Huh?
Try spell that.
I do know.
Yeah, because you actually half decent at Ingo, then I'm not.
It's not English, it's Italian.
Obviously.
That is pretty. Move, I want to take a picture of the Integrale.
Wow, you don't see one of those every day.
The brakes are bigger than one.
I know, right? Look how big they are. I suppose it's got to stop the whole car. Fair. How are you then?
Oh, they're all just...
I've been there for a while, we friends. Oh, okay, Mason. Hello.
Listen to the sounds. Listen to the sounds.
Big
The
Mason.
idol.
Mason, your Honda's got nothing on that.
I'm just saying I'm a Ferrari guy, not a Lambo guy, so this is my kind of thing.
This is definitely your kind of thing.
Look at that.
That's beautiful. Hang on. 2.5 grand? Yep. How many miles? I suppose then you got 85k on the clock.
That's not bad.
That's not bad, but 2 grand! That was like the 16th. Mason, how many baths do you think are here? I know, fucking the whole club over there. And aeroplane. Alright, that's just money. That's just money, innit? That's just instant money.
This is more my style.
The V6 though. Shee! Hey, money!
Got good old bread.
That's a very clean
Got one in. There we go.
bike though. Yeah, pretty is. Shee!
I've gone 160 in one of them. Just want to make that clear.
Can't
I've
be.
gone sideways
Bike.
160 in a pod.
Mason, once again, why are the brakes bigger than my future?
My dream Ferrari. Right here in the
Do you want to fill me in why it's your dream Ferrari?
It's a 458 still.
Yeah.
It's gold.
It's got big fuck off brakes on it.
This is my dream Ferrari.
Mason, it's just a little carbon. That costs more than my fucking car.
That bit of carbon does more downforce than you'd be.
That downforce equals the same as my body weight. Ooh, look at it. So sexy.
Like, it is gorgeous.
I just love the subtle flex. Like, oh, this must be his fucking bonnet. Oh, not bonnet. Yeah, technically it's his bonnet, but
Size of the motor in that. What's toasted?
what? It's the same size as Kieran. You've got to respect the martini livery, bro. That's so the
Looks like the old Group A.
The fit, yeah. That's so clean. Look how wide the wheels go. I don't rate the fitment, but you know.
Not meant to be a fit car.
Nah. It's just built to go meow. The little 500. If Kieran was a car, that's his car. Little town car.
Shilago. Look at the Murchie.
I just walked past him with the monster fucking. He's got a monster engine cap thingy. I forgot what it's called. Holy shit! You know, you just know for a fact he's got some dosh somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
He invests.
He invests in Bitcoin. Just like appreciate the sound. Why is the wing bigger than my future? That's the running joke in this video. I keep saying brakes bigger than my future as well. Damn.
Look at how deep the
Big Dick Society.
Wow, it's a female driving it.
Is that actually? I didn't see.
Oh, it's gorgeous. I like how the rear plate is mad.
Mad.
Well mad.
Mad.
It's well mad.
The engine sounds like mad.
Listen to the starter. Oh,
I was going over there.
old Group B.
Is he getting told off? Oh, he's getting told off.
I think he is.
He's getting told off.
Oh wow.
He got told off. B.
It sounded nice.
I mean, it's, I didn't know where it was coming from. He told him off. He told him off. Mason, you angry that he told him off?
Yes, I am.
I wanted to hear a bit more of that, to be fair.
That is a gorgeous.
Damn, I'm gonna look at the engine. Yeah.
Probably just cost you 20 quid in fuel anyway, so.
You hear what you just said? Oh, we're going to see now if we can get into the museum with our ticket. Probably won't, but worth a try.
I'm creamy over Cosmo.
He's very creamy over Crossworth right now. So yeah, we got into the museum. We just walked through the door, and now a bunch of old cars that I have no idea about. Right, Mason, imagine sitting in that, bro. Where's your back could be disappeared? You'd hit a rock.
6 horsepower.
Right. Why you bully it? Look at that. That must be one of the first ever cars.
That is the first ever car.
Earlier.
Look at that.
Used earlier.
You've been told.
I have been told.
You've been very told.
1886.
Yeah. Maths.
That is.
Yeah, this has got a bigger radiator nowadays than every JGM turbo is going. To be fair, but that radiator probably don't even do anything. No. Where's the price? New at the time was £1,000. If that was £1,000 back then.
That's millions.
So that's yeah. I don't think I want to say millions.
Oh, that's cool.
Just I amazing. You can just. Imagine F1 cars going at like a 45 degree angle.
Small.
Yeah. Maybe the yard is that size, or do you think they downsized put up there?
No, that is the genuine size, because that is the actual size of the Jaguar.
Yeah, but it's older because it's also missing the halo.
Look how small it is. Well, yeah, that's 2004 V10, man.
Yeah. The best sounding one in my opinion.
It's the actual RS, mate. Look at that.
Oh, Mason, that's a bit of you.
Oh, we're going downstairs after this, because I've seen 917. It's a 917.
Mason, I'm glad we can get in
That's
here.
a really good photo.
No wonder you pay 15 quid to get in here now, actually. Are you in a jug? I can't do the voice. You're not in that one. Well,
Right, just for size comparison. Renault F1 car, me. Next to it.
and then if you go
Tiny.
crash, your legs go bye bye. Performance over 200. Yeah, well, looking at them would make sense. Yas. Look fat out there. Look at these tires. Hang on. I'm gonna do a naughty. Mason, I'm gonna do a naughty. And tire. I feel bad. Look at the sun. Look at it.
Look at the car.
Oh, Adam C would be very happy. That's a real Cobra, not a replica.
That's a gorgeous car.
That's gorgeous.
This one from my photo, you put me out of focus.
He's so unhappy the child walked in front of him. I want to look at the turbocharged V6. Twin turboed.
Yes.
You got one. Hey, every little like
Oh,
JJ.
Lars used it.
Wow. Mason, you know the Honda owners right now like, I can put that in my car.
1,000 brake horsepower. That engine right there. Look at it. Look, my hand compared to the engine. That makes 1,000 horsepower.
I was gonna say he's got big ass hands, so a bit of more comparison.
That's got 1,000 horsepower.
Right, the turbo's bigger on my hands.
I want to make it clear V8 struggled to make 400 and they're like,
Wow, you got big
that's a 1.5 litre engine.
Okay.
Sticky.
Tire. Hand.
Tyres are huge. Then the car weighs nothing.
Some James Bond's cars. Apparently it was just No Time to Die film. I believe that one was, but that one, yeah, too old.
Yeah, it's just
I'm getting Mason's photo, he's angry at me. Mason, do you think that buff out?
That'll buff out.
I don't think it will.
That'll buff out.
Bro, when you have a hot in your...
I think Land Rover will be happy with that.
Yeah.
buff out.
Yeah, they'll be happy. That's...
Tyres.
To be fair, the inside was very kind of straight. And left-hand drive.
It's still dusty.
It's still very dusty inside. Oh, look at the back of it.
That's so cool.
Wow, okay, fair enough. Wow. Movie prop. I am basically looking at an on-ground aeroplane with 403 miles per hour. And that's Mason, and that's the car. It's the size of a jet. What? Right, it looks like a Marvel film. This is Mason's area because he's a bit of a Nally freak.
Nally fan? Yeah, I'm a Nally fan.
Yeah, Nally fan, rally fan. I don't fit my arm off. Mason, you're tired.
There you go.
360 brake. That's alright.
That one is.
Yeah.
This is the A2, this isn't the S1. The S1 was the 500 horsepower one.
Does that make you upset that they don't have that here?
No, not really, because that is like rare.
Yeah.
Walter Roll drove the 500 one.
Now this I like because that's like Fords.
This was actually used.
I imagine it was.
This is an actual rally car.
Yeah, with the quick release hood. And now Mason.
The 917K.
Ooh. Yo Mason, I've driven that car.
Have you?
Yeah.
Where?
On Xbox.
Wow. Yeah, I driven it on the Seto course.
Yeah, I've driven on a Seto Corsa. Lovely. Definitely goes brum brum.
We're talking about GT40?
Yeah.
GT40? Looks like the Mark 1. Get my photo.
I said before, I don't care. You crummy face.
Grouchy.
Jaguar, E-Type.
I drive a Jag.
that is just your joke.
Jensen Interceptor, mate. These are wicked.
You sound like a prime child, man. I suppose this is like our playland.
Nah, bro, this is it. Oh, you park too close to the wall, can't you?
See, I drive this car in Forza, Mason, like you said, yeah? But in Forza, you can make it go like 150 when it goes 50 miles per hour. That's Josh's moped right now. It's fair, it's a one cent.
It takes 41 seconds to
Not
hit
50.
50.
The price of 298. I can speak English. 298. TC engine.
Bike engine.
Yeah, technically. Look at the size of it. To be fair, look at the little radio in the back.
So cool.
Yeah, I've never seen one before. The little Fiat 500. Little Fiat 500. Mason's just creaming over. With his little white wall tyres. It's so cute. Okay, how many baths do you think are generally here?
I don't really fancy counting so much.
No, I'm supposed to it's a bath club, so I don't know what I'm
Why
expecting.
do those bath wheels look like Maserati wheels?
Because they want, maybe it wants to be a Maserati, Mason. You can't see what it is. It's 2022.
Yeah, it's an inline. There's two of them with them.
Maybe that's what
That's cool.
See, I love that colour. I don't know what colour I would call that.
It's kind of similar to Northern Grey. But
Yeah, but it's not. Hello. See, what is a bath? I suppose it is your bath club, I guess.
yeah, do you reckon there's not? Look at that lime green bean machine.
You can see that from a mile away. No one will pull out on you.
Two of them.
Same with that one, but
Yeah.
that one's got a big fuck.
Especially if you're bright yellow, is it?
Bright.
Like driving highlight.
That'll make brum brum noises.
It does make fun.
The Martini Racing Stripe adds 50 horsepower. Actually really cool. Mate, I swear you owned a bath at one point, your dad did.
Yeah.
The big Brembo brakes.
Bright yellow one. Not
Is it
yellow,
actually?
green, sorry, bright green. Like that colour green.
Ah, the neon green.
Yeah, because remember, Kieran got scared.
Oh yeah.
We went under
I actually really
we
respect
got
the red.
135 out of it, and Kieran didn't like it.
Do you not like it?
No, he got scared.
Hey, look at this, you got the old boy just chilling like, hello.
That's so cool, man. Look at it.
Look how low it is as well. I really like it, to be fair. I think it's quite sexy. Obviously. And you got the lime green making me go blind. The lime green's making me go blind.
When you want to be a Ferrari, but you have to dance.
Mason, that's bullying.
That's
Can we go look at it?
yeah. L'Italia. Oh my god, that's like old Group B race car heads.
So Mason, I think his seats are missing.
That's so
Remember I said strip the door panels? Weights him into the extreme. Hey, he needs that extra gumbo. So he's driving on minty fresh. Fair enough. With his basket. And a bit of a sticker showcase. Wow. Yeah. Oh, still is. Same stickers on each side.
Bro, you know it's stripped, but it's got a little handle like that.
Hang on. Oh, but you open all the doors on the bonnet. That's so sad. When your gear stick's exposed. But we can play chess on top of this bath. And he wants everyone to know he drives in the bath. Because it's in this fucking front grille. And same in this one. And bath people just want to know they drive in a bath.
If you drive in the bar, you definitely drive in the bar.
Yeah, they make sure you see it. Okay, man. Nathan. You seen that?
That's one bar of boost right now. He's got the Acropovic sticker.
And he's making sure his car don't light on fire with the fucking heat wrap.
I wonder
Ah, they all. Nope, I'm gonna say that. No, you could have cleaned it. Sure, 'cause I would probably do the same.
Huh?
I think you could have cleaned it, but I would not clean it either. I'm just lazy, aren't
I paid mine, only because mine.
I? Yeah, look, the big makes.
They're all time.
Big rammer. You can tell where this colour is used with the discoloration on this turbocharger. And then Mason said it makes 180 brake. He's not lying.
It's a big fan, isn't it?
Delivery.
Looks like a Mini Cooper, so it's Cooper.
Yeah. That's really cool to be fair. Yep, Mason, wait, stop. You might cut yourself in that rice. The arrow. It's the arrow. Hang on. Question, do you think the vents generally zip tight? Ah. I think he may have fallen off at one point. It's
Flappy paddock. This is going to be scary.
and the fact is, yeah.
Something doesn't.
Mason, that one.
That makes you think this thing's really.
Alright, so I just got back from the meet, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, see you next one.